Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So a key scene image is the most important visual in your project, the one that defines the mood, style, and identity of your entire content, like video, ad, story, or character. Okay, so in this guide, I will show you step by step how to generate a key scene image in or on OpenArt in 2026, the foundation of professional AI visuals. So first thing first, define your scene concept. Okay, so start with clarity, like decide environment, city, room, like etc. The subjects like person, product, action, the mood, dark, happy, cinematic. Okay, style too, like realistic, anime. Okay, futuristic. So for example, I have here a prompt like you can use it, for example, like this. So as you can see, man standing in neon city at night, cinematic, emotional mood. Okay, so write a high quality prompt, like your prompts must be detailed, include lighting, camera style, details, quality tags. Okay, so for example, cinematic, night, city, like I will show you here so you can see yourself. Okay, so this is the prompts or the appropriate prompts for this example. So detailed prompts equals better control. Okay, so general or generates multiple variations. So OpenArt image generator, generate several outputs. Don't settle for the first result. Compare compositions and lightning. You are searching for the best, not just good. Okay, so select the strongest image, choose based on composition, lightning quality, realism, emotional impact. Okay. And refine the image. So improve your chosen image, use upscale, regenerate small variations, and fix details. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.